How to fix Telegram login problem. In today's short tutorial, guys, I'm going to show you how to fix Telegram login problem easily and fast. So all what you want to do is go into the settings in your phone, open the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, now all what you want to do next is very simple. Just wait a few seconds, and after that scroll until you find Telegram like that. When you find Telegram, all what you want to do is click on it, and it will take you into the app informations page. Click on force stop right here, and then click on permissions. When you click on permissions, make sure that every single permission is enabled, especially the storage permission. Go back and then click on this storage option, click on clear cache. Go back into the settings on your phone, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode, and disable it. Exactly like that. Now turn off your phone and turn it on again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.